Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can expand your garden and grow a garden. So I've expanded mine 3 times. The first one was on the left. There's like a sign to expand your garden. Second one is on the right side of the garden. It will take a few hours until days where you can expand your garden, so be patient. The third one was on the back side, and then you can expand it again. We're just going to expand garden and press this. It will cost 1 billion shekels. And as you can see, I've expanded my garden. I think that's the largest I can expand it to. But that is pretty much it. It doesn't really, well, the third one I expanded, it added a another lot, like another of these soil lots. I don't know what they're called. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I guess if you have those bigger plants, you can put them in the back. Unlike me here, I don't know why I put that there, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.